So we're here, the C5. So as we enter the South Luzon Expressway, so this is the access going to the South Luzon in Batangas. So papakita ko sa inyo yung way. So right now we're here in Laguna. So nasa SLEX tayo ngayon. So we're going to Batangas. So this is the gateway going to Ibaan exit. Yan. So yung Ibaan exit kasi din yung papuntang Solmera Coast. And later papakita ko sa inyo yung exit. Then may signage siya ng Solmera Coast. So guys, after ng SLEX, so we're here at the Star Tollway. So this is the expressway going to Batangas City, Lipa City, and Ibaan. So the exact exit that we will be going to is the Ibaan exit. Then after that, dahan-dahan na tayo mag-right para safely tayo maka-turn papuntang Ibaan. Then after the tollway, then may makikita tayong Solmera Coast na signage. So nandito na tayo sa Ibaan exit guys. So pagka-exit natin ng Ibaan, then we will see yan at the right yung Solmera Coast na signage. Then dahan-dahan tayo mag-left. Hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Solmera Coast. So papakita ko sa inyo yung mga project updates na meron tayo. So makikita natin sa likod yung mga nakatakip na dyan, which is yung may parang temporary walls na tinatawag natin. Nandyan yung 5 buildings ni Solmera Coast for the phase 1. We have the Matahari that will be turned over February 2027, and we have the Kartika building, so yung second building ni Solmera Coast, which will be turned over May 2027, and the last building for the Condotel of the phase 1, which is the Bumi, that will be turned over on August 2027. However, meron po tayong dalawang residential building, Sinusa and Asri. For that one, we don't have any information yet na may bibigay kung kailan sila mare-release at mata-turnover. For now, magpo-focus muna tayo sa tatlong buildings na meron tayo na na-sold out na siya. So, pag meron na tayong mga panibagong reopen units, babalitaan ko kagad kayo. Then, grab that opportunity kapag meron na kagad. So, ngayon guys, kay Solmera Coast, we have the amenities na pinaka-main na meron tayo, which is the pool complex. So right now makikita natin dito yung dalawang pool na meron tayo, which is the infinity pool and yung parang pang kiddie pool niya. So yung pool complex niya, it will consist of 4,500 square meters na which is parang kala mo may mini lagoon ka na naka pwesto sa gitna. So naka ano siya, yung 5 buildings is nakapalibot siya dun sa pool complex. So we have the gardens, we have the marami pang mga amenities na i-turn over ni DMCI Homes dito sa Solmera Coast. So right now we have the area here, which is yung parang ano siya, receiving area or yung magiging lobby area niya. So yung drop-off area ni Solmera Coast na nandito. So makikita natin dyan, yan. And also, yung mga buildings na yan, which is yung mga CRs, nandyan, and also yung mga model units natin, nandun, papakita ko rin sa inyo. So ito guys, i-ano ko lang din, i-discuss ko na rin ngayon, so which is the beach destination project siya. Sorry, beach destination project siya. So makikita natin dito yung kanyang beach pad. So Solmera Coast by DMCI Homes has one of the longest coastline for the beach pad here sa San Juan. So makikita natin dyan, napakalawak niya. So guys, tingnan nyo na, napakalawak niya. Kahit sabihin natin na maraming buildings, hindi po siya mapupuno basta-basta. And guys, yung advantage natin kay Solmera Coast, nandito tayo sa Marine Protected Area under the Verde Strait. So marami po siyang mga wildlife na nandito. So rich siya, sabihin, yung kanyang vegetation for the coral reefs, for the fishes and other marine animals like turtles, yan. So matutuwa ang mga bata dito or yung mga nature lovers. Merong mga turtles dyan na napupunta, napapadpad at dyan sila nanganganak. Yan. So tara guys, pupunta tayo ngayon dito sa model unit. So ito guys, papunta tayo sa model unit, which is the studio type. So we're here at the villas at Solmera Coast. So this is one also face of the Solmera Coast. Yan, makikita naman natin dito. May mga gazebo siya dyan, gilid. And also the villa. So yan, may mga ilang room siya dyan. So mayroong siyang 2 queen size bed. Yan, based from what I have seen. So on this side, yan, nandyan yung beach. And may parang floodway siya. Yan guys, so may fresh water siya going to the sea. So napaka-diverse ng project na to. And we will see a lot of trees here. Ayan. So ito guys, papunta na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa model unit. Ayan. So bababa na tayo in a while. So yan, meron pala tayong basketball court dyan. So yan yung itsura niya. So yan na nga. So we're here na guys. So tara, let's go. Hi guys, it's me, Michael Bernales of Page Property by DMCI Homes. So hello guys, andito tayo ngayon sa isang studio unit ni DMCI Homes, Solmera Coast project. So this unit consists of 33 square meters. So makikita naman natin dito ang kitchen. Yan, on the left side. And on the right side, we have the toilet and bath. So all of this stuff are included dun sa ating unit na pipirmahan natin or mapipirmahan pa lang. So based from our project brief na na-discuss namin, so it is a hotel operated project. So yung mga furnitures and fixtures niya, the same dapat sila sa mga ibang units. So tara guys, papakita ko pa kung ano pa meron tayo dito. So ito nga ang living area natin. So may mga drawers tayo dito. So kung anong mga recutitos na pwede natin ilagay dyan, kung what things, or syempre ito yung mga bags natin. Yan, on this side, this is the couch, the living area. And we have the accents here. So syempre, it's tropical accent. So yan, beach yung natin, ang ating team. So this is the bedroom area. So, di ba naman guys, lalo na yung sa mga ilang beses na nakapunta sa mga resorts and hotels, lalo na for example kay Boracay. So, ganito halos yung itsura niya. Di ba? So, yan yung bed niya, kasama na to. Itong TVs, aircons, yan yung lighting. All of these are included dun sa pinurchase natin from the start ng kung kailan tayo nag-reserve up to sa matatapos natin yung yung down payment natin, and kung kailan natin masisettle yung remaining balance. So ito guys, pupunta tayo ngayon sa balcony. So this is the balcony area. So ganito siya kalaki. So yung view natin dito, so this is just a sample. So this is a model unit. Pero kung nandun na tayo sa mismong actual unit and yung location ng project, makikita rin natin yung beachside, yung beach pad na nandito nakatapat. Pero kung amenity facing amenity tayo, yung pool complex yung makikita natin. Regardless kung ano man yung view natin, pero kung meron tayong unit dito, napaka-bless natin dahil sobrang ganda dito guys. Kaya nga kung may plano na kayo kumuha at mayroong inventory, please guys, do reserve or please do contact your agents kagad para mai-book at mai-reserve na kagad yung unit para sa inyo. So guys, this is me again, Michael Bernales of Page Property. And have a great day ahead. So ito nga guys, ang aking contact details, Mike Page Property by DMCI Homes. And my number, 0917-156-0608. So, ayan guys. Please do ask. Huwag kayong mahiya guys. Kasi ito, hindi to. Once in a lifetime lang din to. So, sabihin na natin na may mga ilang phases pa siya. Pero, guys, once na merong ganyang projects, iyan nyo na kagad. I-grab nyo na kagad yung opportunity na yan. So, again guys, thank you and have a great day ahead. God bless.